I do this one real quick. End of the day, nosed in here. I can't get behind it, so I'm gonna drag it backwards with a snatch block. I just had to pick up another one just off the interstate. I didn't film that one, but that one was a call. I was about 25 minutes away running errands with a flatbed. They called me, said a good customer broke down and I needed to go get it. What sucks about that is I had a pallet on the flatbed of lift arms we had powder coated, and I had to unload the lift arms off of the pallet so I could fit the car on, and I had to ratchet strap them down. It wasn't a big deal, just took me a little extra time. I had to pull out on the road, block the road where I loaded that car where he was, so I didn't have time to do a video, but I guess that's just the way it goes. But we'll get this one here. The customer's not here. I got the key. It's at the bank here in Jericho. I don't even know what's wrong with it, but we'll get it loaded here. I probably could even roll it back on my own. We'll see what's going on here with it. It's got power because the door's unlocked. Battery's dead. I got it here in neutral. I'm gonna see if I can just roll it back on my own. Yeah, I can, so I'll get it as far as I can. Then I'll let the winch do the rest of the work, you know what I'm saying? That's actually perfect right there. That gives me a good angle. Right on top of the cable now. So, no snatch blocking needed. I'm gonna stay off this trailer hitch. It looks a little rusty. It'd probably be okay, but I'm gonna stay off of it. Tighten up the cable. Then we'll put it back in neutral. I'm going to reposition the truck here instead of winching this thing sideways. I don't really need to do all that extra effort. I actually, you know what I could probably do real quick, even quicker. I'm going to roll this thing back forward. Put it back in park. It's not going to stay in its position. I hate the shifters that won't shift without you hitting the brake. Silly. I mean, obviously getting them out of park is one thing, but you know, going from neutral to park, you should be able to. You know, neutral to park, you shouldn't have to hit the brake pedal. A lot of cars you don't have to. I don't know, it just seems silly. I just need a little bit better angle. Is all I need. That should do it right there. I'm gonna check that J-hook. It looks a little funny. And then I'll just walk the steering wheel as needed. I'm actually going to grab the wireless winch remote out of the truck, and it'll save myself a few steps. This makes it a lot easier. I can steer now as it's going, and helps out a lot. Go ahead and put the J's on it. I'm literally 3 minutes from the shop. Not even 2 minutes. That one's all she wrote. I got confused on these levers. I don't know if anybody saw that, but I normally don't use the levers from this side. I run the levers from the driver's side. This side is sticky, so I try not to use them. But that's it for this one, guys. I'm going to be fine there with how it's locked down. Like I said, I'm just right down the road. I almost just forgot my wireless remote. Oh, I threw it in my pocket. Oh, that was easy. Alright guys, that does it for this one. Thanks for checking out my videos. Appreciate it. Hope you enjoy. Peace!